Hello everyone, Papa Blue Shirt here. I was fixing to go and ride a different route today, but I forgot to plug in my battery, so I'm gonna go down by the pond and see what things look like down there. I haven't been down there in a while. So we'll get going and head down there. Well, there's where I'm starting at. Add 6250 onto that. Because my odometer turned over on me. But let's get going. Well, this is going down toward the pond. Some big hills here. This last hill here, really steep grade, and it empties out into gravel. And I hang on for dear life, so I won't be recording it. But we'll see what it looks like down here. Give you a look of it just around the corner here. And that's one of the steepest hills I've ever went down. Well, I'm going to turn around because it's really wet. I'm getting all muddy. So I'll have to check this out on a different day. It's a really fun road to ride when it's not real bad, but I don't want to get soaked in full of mud. So I'm going to try to go back up that hill. That hill's rough. Going up, I got up to almost 31 miles an hour, and I was holding the brakes. I wasn't sure, wasn't doing no pedaling. It comes down a hill and then it turns at the bottom, and a little scary. All right, continue on here. Yeah, mostly all that's back here is hunting cabins for deer hunting. And so they don't keep up the roads real well. I think they blacktopped this up here just because they didn't want to keep having to repair it all the time. There's hardly anything that comes down here. But I better get to pedaling here, otherwise I ain't gonna make it up the hill. Well, I must be getting stronger because I'm able to pedal up it now. Used to have to stop halfway. Here's where we end up. Well, thanks for coming along with me today. Looks like I went almost 9 miles. Wind is pretty brutal. And I have my weaker battery, so I didn't want to push it. Alrighty, well, thanks for watching, everyone. We'll see you next time.